Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Introducing a versatile 2-in-1 tool that brings precision and ease to your woodworking projects. This innovative dual-ended device combines a drill bit and a driver bit, designed specifically to drill pilot holes, counterbores, and drive Kreg screws for exceptionally strong joints. One side features a precision drill bit that creates perfectly sized pilot holes and counterbores, while the other side boasts a dedicated number 2 square drive bit, engineered to drive Kreg screws effortlessly. Its quick-release mechanism ensures you can swiftly switch between functions, making tasks like attaching false fronts or face-joining corners a breeze. Compatible with Kreg number 2 square drive screws, this tool is your reliable partner in turning creative ideas into sturdy, well-crafted outcomes. Discover a versatile tile blade engineered for both professional and home projects. Designed to fit 2 arbor sizes, 5/8" and 7/8", its innovative installation slot includes a removable central ring core, allowing it to adapt easily to a range of handheld angle grinder saws. Whether you're using an air cutoff tool or an electric saw, this tile blade is built for universal performance in both dry and wet cutting applications. The Go Yonder Diamond blade features an X-teeth rim edge that delivers fast, smooth, and quiet cuts, thanks to its ultra-thin 1.2mm design that minimizes chip production. Ideal for slicing through porcelain, ceramic tile, granite, sandstone, quartz, and more. Its precise dimensions make it compatible with most tile saws and angle grinders. A CPSEA warning ensures you stay safe while achieving professional results. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. The Boreal 21 Folding Bow Saw, your reliable cutting companion, whether you're deep in the wilderness or tackling projects at home. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers alike, it's perfect for camping, backpacking, canoeing, off-trail excursions, hunting, and even trail clearing. With a quick, intuitive setup, simply unfold the saw, snap it into position, and start cutting with ease, thanks to its automatic blade tensioning system that keeps everything secure without the need to handle any loose parts. Measuring 21 inches in length and weighing just 18 ounces, the Boreal 21 offers a high-clearance frame that accommodates large diameter cuts and an optimized geometry for the most efficient sawing stroke. Built to last with an anodized 6-day-63 aluminum frame, a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, all stainless steel hardware, and hardened coated saw blades, it delivers both precision and power wherever your adventures take you. Come to the ultimate tool for effortless yard care with the Sky electric leaf blower. Engineered with a high-performance motor and advanced axial fan technology, it delivers an impressive 580 CFM and 160 mar flow to tackle everything from scattered leaves to a messy driveway. Starting with a robust 20-volt battery, this blower makes light work of your cleaning tasks. Powered by 2 4.0 lithium batteries, it offers up to 120 minutes of runtime on low-speed mode. A handy battery level indicator keeps you in the loop, while built-in safety features automatically cut power to protect both the motor and battery, extending their life. Weighing only 4.3 pounds, this lightweight design is built for fatigue-free operation. Its non-slip ergonomic handle and adjustable shoulder strap with a user-friendly buckle ensure maximum comfort, even during extended use. Quick 3-step assembly gets you started in no time. With 3 speed settings and an optional extension nozzle, this versatile blower adapts to any task, whether cleaning your yard, sidewalk, playground, or even your car windows. Introducing the Pika Dry Long Life Automatic Pencil 3030, a refined writing instrument that redefines everyday note-taking and sketching. This pencil combines durability with precision, making it an ideal companion for students, professionals, and creative minds alike. Engineered with innovative Pika-Dry technology, it consistently delivers crisp, smudge-free lines that stand the test of time. Its automatic retraction mechanism not only enhances safety, but also ensures that your writing tip remains protected during storage and transport. The pencil's sleek design, paired with a comfortable grip, provides a balanced and effortless writing experience. Whether you're drafting a quick note or working on detailed illustrations, the 3030 offers reliability and longevity, making it a standout choice in any writing arsenal. A router bit engineered for precision and durability. Constructed with super-strength steel and featuring an anti-kickback design, this bit is built to perform under pressure. Its innovative design uses four-sided solid carbide inserts, meaning every edge is usable. Simply use a screwdriver to expose a fresh cutting edge when needed. This clever approach lets you replace only the inserts rather than the whole tool, offering a cost-effective alternative to traditional brazed or solid carbide spiral bits. Ideal for flattening wood slabs, resurfacing, or planning spoil boards, it works effortlessly on soft and hard woods, particle board, MDF, plywood, laminate, acrylic, and more. Suitable for CNC routers, automatic machines, and even handheld or table-mounted units, this router bit is a versatile addition to any woodworking arsenal. It comes complete with insert blades, and for those needing extra options, the K1222 model is available. Innovative tool designed to use the maximum DeWalt 20-volt lithium battery. Tile vibration leveling machine. Engineered for excellence, its robust suction system features a reinforced cup with a 5.9-inch diameter, capable of generating an absorption force of up to 50 kg by 110 lbm, perfectly suited for tiles up to 120 by 120 cm in size. Tailor your application with ease using the device's 10 adjustable vibration levels, allowing you to fine-tune the intensity based on tile dimensions and plaster thickness. A dedicated lock button streamlines suction, keeping the handle elevated and freeing your hands for precise work. The backlit LCD screen displays the current vibration setting clearly, and the ergonomically designed double handle structure provides balanced support during both lifting and laying tasks. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy head for enhanced strength, wear resistance, and longevity, the tool's suction cup pad is made from premium, odorless, extra-strength rubber. Step up your DIY game with our premium drywall screw bits, engineered from robust chrome vanadium steel for long-lasting durability. These bits boast exceptional hardness, wear resistance, and effective protection against rust and corrosion, ensuring they stand up to even the toughest jobs. The package includes a magnetic drill bit holder that accepts any 1/4-inch hex shank bit, allowing for quick and seamless bit changes. Our drywall screw setter is designed to control countersink depth precisely during drying applications in drywall, particle board, or plywood, thereby preventing wall or board damage. The strong magnet not only secures the bit tip firmly, but also grips the screw tightly for effortless one-handed operation, ensuring every screw is driven accurately without wobbling or misdirection. Unleash your cutting potential with the Hichika Compact Circular Saw, a versatile powerhouse built for precision and efficiency. Its robust 6.2-amp copper motor delivers full-size performance at an impressive 3,500 RPM, allowing you to effortlessly cut wood, plastic, gypsum board, and PVC pipes. The saw comes equipped 2 24-tooth TCT blades, ideal for wood cuts, and one 60-tooth HSS blade, tailored for plastic and soft metal applications, broadening the tool's functionality. A built-in scale ensures every cut is straight and precise, significantly enhancing your work efficiency. The integrated dust collection port, along with the included vacuum adapter, makes it easy to connect to a shop vacuum, keeping your workspace clean and dust-free. Combined with its optimized ergonomic slim grip and soft rubber handle, this saw minimizes hand fatigue, making it a reliable partner for all your cutting projects. Experience efficiency and precision with the CrewWorks electric wire stripper, a reliable tool designed to transform old electrical wiring into valuable scrap. With speeds reaching up to 98 feet min and a robust 180-watt motor powering its durable steel blade, This machine makes quick work of insulation removal. It features 5 separate feed holes that accommodate wire sizes ranging from 0.06 inch to 1 inch, ensuring you can safely strip both small and large cables with ease. Adjust the blade height to your exact requirements using the intuitive knob. Simply hit the power button and start feeding your copper cable through the designated hole. For added safety, an emergency stop is readily available if anything goes awry. The alloy steel blade maintains a sharp edge for consistently clean cuts, while the reinforced aluminum frame guarantees dependable, long-lasting performance. Turns your scrap wires into a valuable resource wherever you need it. A winch built for the toughest outdoor challenges. Equipped with a DC 48-volt, 12-196-watt brushless motor, it delivers a robust pulling force 1,000 pounds with a single rope and up to 2,000 pounds with a double rope. Whether you're working in forestry, out on a hunting expedition, or tackling off-road adventures, this winch is up to the task. Constructed with durable steel gears and a high-performance motor, it reliably operates in extreme conditions as low as -30 degrees Celsius, all while demanding minimal maintenance. The package includes a 2-hour Li-ion battery, charger, 100 feet low-stretch rope, and a sturdy tree strap. Just note that it's designed exclusively for the 2-hour battery and is not compatible with the 48-volt 4-hour version. An instant start button ensures quick, hassle-free operation, making it ideal for a range of tasks from gardening to light construction. Designed for multiple environments, this winch consistently delivers the strong performance you need for any outdoor or work-related project.